Hi guys, I welcome you all to my second video of chapter 1. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Android Studio and how to install it. So to download Android Studio, you have to go to this website. It's from developer.android.com/studio. So from here, you can just press on this big green button which says download Android Studio. But this is for Windows 64-bit version. If you have a different kind of a platform in your computer, then you can just go a bit down in this website and find that there is, in this section, you'll find there are several packages Android has given for different platforms. So according to your platform, you can choose the correct exe file. And a little bit down on the same web page, in here we have mentioned, Android has mentioned the system requirements. So these are the minimum requirements that you need to run your applications in your computer. Just give it a look and verify whether you have these requirements with you. So before download Android Studio, there's something I want to tell you guys, that is you need to have your Java development kit in your machine. So if you haven't got a chance to download it, just type Java development kit in Google and you'll get this link. Just go there, and in this Oracle official website you'll see the development kit download files are there, like in the previous Android website for different platforms. They have mentioned different exe files. I have already downloaded my JDK for computer, so I'm not going to download it now, but if you haven't, then just click on the corresponding exe file to download it. So to make things much quicker, I have already downloaded the setup. You just have to click on this, so you download your Android setup. So I will be running my Android exe file now. So the installer is running. A normal wizard will show up. I'm going to say yes. Okay, so here's the wizard. So you just don't have to do any changes. Just make sure you have checked both of these checkboxes for virtual device and studio, and then go next. This is the location, and if you want to create shortcuts, then press this. I don't want a shortcut, so I'm just going to install it. Okay, so now we are installing our Android Studio. So it's just the normal procedure of installing an application. There's nothing you have to do actually. You just have to make sure that you save everything where you prefer and press next. So the installer will do the rest for you. So this takes a bit of time. Okay, now the installation has been completed. So I'm just gonna press next and finish. So yeah, that's it. We have just installed Android Studio into our computer. So for now in this video, I'm gonna show just these things, but in my next video I'll be showing you how to create your first application and how to run it in Android Studio. So we'll set up our Android AVD, set everything up, and we'll write our first code. So thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next part of this chapter of series.